Hello students, it is your economics class from NBGI. Today I will teach you Indian economy on the eve of independence. It is the last topic of this chapter. Demographic transition. Today you will study demographic transition. What is the mean of demography? I have already told you in my previous video. Demography means all the characteristics of the population related to the per capita income, life expectancy, total income of country, and welfare of the public, female literacy rate, all these things when included, then you will study demography of country. But how does demography of country change? It is known as demographic transition. किस तरह से किसी देश की जनसंख्या की विशेषताएं की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बदलती है, उसे डेमोग्राफिक ट्रांजिशन बोलते हैं. नाउ इन ईयर 1921 Indian demography has to face a great change. What was this change? You have to study in following points. In the first point, it is written here, in year 1921, we have regarded this the year of Great Divide. Now, second point, population of India is 0.04 crore. Decline. Population of India decline. Decline means कम होना. 0.04 crore from total population on 23.87 crore in 1891 to 23.83 crore 1901. It means India की population 23.87 करोड़ 1891 से कम होकर 1901 में 23.83 करोड़ हो गई. तो कितनी पॉपुलेशन इंडिया की कम हुई? 0.04 करोड़. एंड इन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इन 1911 according to census of the country, population of India rises 1.38 crore. Population of India rises 1.38 crore. Once again, in 1921, population of India declined 0.07 crore, and after 1921, population of India start increasing regularly. That is the main reason why we call it the year of Great Divide. You should learn which year is known as the year of Great Divide. 1921 is known as year of Great Divide. There are many causes for the decline and increasing the population. Sometimes natural calamities, sometimes some fatal disease. There are many causes of the decrease in the population of India. But students, you have to keep in mind after the year 1921, the population of India increases regularly. In my next video, I will tell you next chapter. Thank you.